These are really chicken, yeah? Not these from McDonald's. These are really chickens, you know? We are in the nature, guys. I love the nature, you know? It's pure nature. Everything is beautiful, you know? Everywhere here, on the streets, have here chickens, and there in the behind you can see dogs. So we have everything here, you know? The nature is so beautiful here, and I can tell all day long how beautiful everything here is. Here again, chickens on the street, walking with us, you know. And yeah, my family lives here, and yeah, these animals are here for they are farmers. They eat these entities, and here ducks. Look how beautiful everything here is. And behind me again, the nature, the pure nature, high mountains, the beautiful sky, everything pure nature. We walk around here like 20 meters far from my uncle's house. Far from my uncle's house, we have here everything. Yeah, duck with baby ducks. Oh, baby duck, baby duck. See? Yeah, guys. And here we go like 20 meters far from my uncle's house. We have here, yeah, we have here the fresh, let's see, fresh water. See how beautiful it is. I love it.